Today we're showing you a 2023 John Deere 5090E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. Tractor has just under 100 hours. It is practically a new machine, rated at 90 horsepower, and again it does have the full cab with heat and air conditioning. Also does have the loader prep package with the frames and joystick, so you can easily add a loader to this tractor now or in the future. If you are interested in a loader, feel free to reach out. We normally have new or used loaders available to fit these machines. See the hydraulic connections right here for the loader. And again, I believe the hours in this tractor are like 80 or 90, just about no hours on this machine. Just about as close to new as we can find for you. Does have the dual remotes back here, 540, 540E PTO, drawbar, top link, everything's here. Inside the cab, it does have the air ride seat for the operator, 12-12 power reverser transmission, allows direction changes without clutching. Still smells new in the cab here. If you're looking for a new or next to new tractor, certainly well worth a look here. Factory John Deere warranty runs into September of 2028, so lots of warranty left on the machine. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at maskedtractor.com.